What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. As you guys can read from the title above, below, or wherever you're reading it, today is going to be another hair video. And today's hair video is something that I never done before. I never thought in a million years I would be able to, you know, finesse the system, have my hair braided without it being braided, you know what I mean? The grace of God, I found a company that sold braided wigs. Now, the only reason I wanted a braided wig was because I don't want to braid my own hair, only because I have a big ass forehead. It's about a 5 head. I wanted to minimize my forehead for the summer, and I did want to rock some braids for the summer because it does get hot out here in Vegas. So I decided to pick up a braided wig. But before we get into the specs of all this hair, I do want you guys to follow me on social media. They will be right here, or they'll be linked down below. It's an easier way for you guys. But without further ado, let's get into this review. Now, this wig that I have on my head is from KennyEstherWigs.com. Shout out to them in regards to their braided wig because I was interested in getting a custom colored braided wig because I did see their work on Instagram and I was like, oh my god, they have like the perfect braided wigs. They look so natural, which I hope this looks natural to y'all. It looks a little bit better in person. I had to finesse the system. I wanted to put it up in a little bun instead of having it all slicked back because this is a full lace unit. When I received the unit, it came with a bag with the company's name on it, which was really cute. They typically don't send bags, so I was like, okay, cool, it's something different. And they send out a wig cap as well as just the wig itself. Now, the wig that I have on my head right now is the Tomi style unit. Now, this wig right here is a full lace unit, so that means you are getting braids all throughout this wig. I'm going to show you guys the back in a little bit just so you guys can get the feel of the wig and see how thick it is. I did put it in a little bun today. Now, for the length of this unit is a 26-inch wig, so that means it is mid back length, so you are definitely getting what you pay for, especially with a braided wig because her prices are bomb as fuck. Like I said, this is mid back length, so you are getting a lot of inches. It goes literally to my butt right here. Now, for the unit that I have on right now, it is a custom colored unit, so I did get a number 1, a number 27 to a 30, so you are getting a little ombre moment. I didn't want to get all black braids because I was like, not my vibe. It is summertime and I wanted some more character to my hair, so I decided to, you know, get a little bit of color at the ends. You can barely tell. I should have got it brighter. I should have got a little 613 moment at the ends, but I was just like, let me not. This is my first time with braids, and honestly, I like the color. It has a perfect ombre. It's not too high and it's not too low. Now, the braid size of these braids are small. On her website, you do have tons of options to customize your wigs. Like I said, I custom, you know, asked her what colors I wanted. And on the website itself, you can customize anything from the length, the thickness of the braids, the color you want. If you want some jewels in it, any type of color you want some in the braids itself right here, she can do that. You just have to place your order with the customized option. Before checkout, make sure you guys write down all your little customized things that you guys want, from the wig cap size to the braid size, the colors, to all that. Now, for the baby hairs, I didn't pick the full option because Lord knows that would be too much to maintain and, you know, customize myself. So I did pick the sparse option just so I can, you know, have something a little slightly and politely. And low-key, it was a lot of baby hairs when I got it. That's the only thing I complain about. It does come with a braid along the little hairline, so you can unbraid that and then cut the little baby hairs and customize them the way you want. I'm gonna pop a video right here of how the wig looked before, you know, I installed it to my head. The density of this wig is standard. You have other options. You can pick full, standard, or I forgot the other option, but I picked standard because like I said, I didn't know what to expect with a braided wig because it is my first time, and I just didn't want it to look really bumpy and lumpy on me. But it's in a bun right now, so it's pretty thick when I do take it down as well. So I'm actually gonna take this down. I did do a little bun, you know, something slightly and politely, but I just want to show y'all how versatile it is. Now, the only thing I'm really tripping on, like I said, was the baby hairs and the fact that it's super heavy on my head, but that is not an issue with the company. It's an issue with my head and my neck because I can't hold it. So this wig is not glued on pretty much at all, and then I just slicked my baby hairs and then I was good to go. You literally don't have to glue this unit if you don't want to, and it is a heavy unit, so I wouldn't suggest to do that. I don't know, it's just too much, and I wouldn't want to ruin the lace on this, especially with the baby hairs. When you put too much glue on your baby hairs, they start to shed and all that stuff. So yeah, I didn't didn't want to keep on gluing and all that stuff. I really didn't want to have to keep on gluing this wig, which I'm excited that I really don't have to, because it fits snug on my head. Like, this is not coming off. The only thing you really need to do is glue the sides. That would be my recommendation, but apart from that, it is. Now, the price of this unit that I have on my head right now is $178, and that is not even bad. Like, for a braided wig, custom colored and all that, like, I'm not even tripping if I'm paying $200 for a wig. And this is a handmade braided unit from Nigeria, so you are not breaking the bank for this wig, because typical units that I've seen from, like, you know, these hairstylists on Instagram that have their braided wigs, they be running for about $400 to $500, girl, and this is a steal. Okay. I've been rocking this unit for about a week. I've been posting it on my Instagram story, on my Snapchat, and you guys been loving it, and you guys wanted a video, so I just wanted to make a quick little review type video. I showed a little bit of clips of me, you know, popping the wig on, you know, slicking the baby hairs down, getting things right and tight. But if you guys are interested in this unit, the links will be down in the description box below. Make sure to check out Kenny Esther Wigs. I will put their Instagram down below. I'll put the website down below, and I do suggest, if you want to try something different. Now, a lot of people are probably going to be like, girl, you're not black, but joke's on you, I'm black. I'm not Mexican, so I can wear braids, and I feel like anybody can rock a braided wig, to be honest. Comment down below, sound off in the comments down below. But with all that being said, it just started raining in Vegas, so I think I'm gonna end this video right here. If you guys did enjoy this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Like I said, check out Kenny Esther Wigs down below. I am going to be copying some more units from this amazing artist. I would say, I wouldn't even call it like a basic wig. This is like art, bitch. Like, y'all see that? Y'all fucking see that. But without further ado, I love you guys with all my heart. Peace, love, and dildos. Bye, guys.